We are here at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for Memorial Day weekend, but also for a full week. So we are going to share with you our daily life while we're keeping a safe social distance during this time, but also enjoying some time at the beach. Hi, I'm Carmen, this is Brian, and if you're new here and you enjoy travel videos and Myrtle Beach videos and other content like this, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything. And here's that nice view of Broadway. It's early today, so it's not too busy. The aquarium, I think, might be the only thing quite open right now, just due to the time of day, but there will definitely be a lot of other things open later today. We're out on our back patio in our backyard, and we're gonna do a little social distance cookout. We've got our brand new grill. We've never had a grill down here, which is kind of weird because we've had a place down here for, I don't know, like 20 years total. We've had 2 different places. So it's strange we've never bought a grill, and Brian had the forethought to get like a tiny tabletop grill. So this will be perfect, very easy, and we can put it in the garage when we're not here. We didn't want one that's just gonna sit out here, you know, when we're not around, so this is perfect size. So just put a little propane tank on the side. That's also convenient, so you don't have those big heavy tanks. And then he's gonna light it up.
All right, let's make it official here.
Or not.
Think it lit? No, I don't think so.
No, I don't think so either.
There it goes.
Woo! Nice. Here it is in action. The tuna steaks look good. We're both having tuna steaks today. Yum. I did marinate the tuna steak briefly because you don't want ceviche in garlic powder, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and olive oil. And then I also made some fresh coleslaw, and I made some quinoa with garlic and parsley. Yum. We decided to come out to our back patio, enjoy this beautiful day. So this is a Saturday of Memorial Day weekend, and it is gorgeous. This morning it was a little humid, but now it's in the 80s, but it's low humidity, a nice breeze. I mean, it's a little humid, but it feels so good. Yesterday we saw the baby cardinals feeding over there, and it's definitely the babies. They would fly up to this tree, then they would eat, then they'd fly up to the tree, then they would eat, and they all look exactly the same. And we saw the female cardinal and the male cardinal. Today we've seen the male cardinal. I'm not sure if we've seen the female. We have not seen the babies at all. And so I'm glad I filmed them yesterday because I'll put that over while I'm talking right now. We have not seen the babies today. It's just so amazing how quickly they go. I mean, I'm glad. That means they're off to start their little lives, but it's kind of sad too. I mean, maybe we'll see them again. We'll see. And once again, the tour helicopters are going right over. I can't imagine doing that right now because you'd be so close to anyone in that. Brian was awesome, and he got the grill out for me again, so I grilled my chicken tonight. Also having some rice that's seasoned and some broccoli. It is now Sunday, and we've had a busy morning. We went to the store, and then we have to wipe everything down, of course, so that takes a while. So we haven't done a ton of fun stuff this morning. But look at this, we just used our grill for lunch again, our new little grill. And I made a burger. I'm doing a lettuce wrap style, and Brian made some veggie dogs?
Veggie dogs, yeah.
Veggie dogs. The weather today is picture perfect. It is so nice. I'm sitting out on our back patio enjoying the weather. It's kind of sad our little cardinals are totally gone. I'm glad we got to see them. It's literally the first day we were here, and then all the babies left and they haven't been back. But it was great to get to see them that one little time. We've come down to the beach early this morning. It is Memorial Day, and it is a little windy. It's just a little windy this morning. This will definitely be a test of my wind muff, and despite these clouds, it's going to be a beautiful day today. It's just starting out a little overcast. So nice today. The weather's warm, it feels really good. Now that the cardinals have fully left the nest and quit nesting in the tree, Brian's pruning the tree. We have to work at this tree all the time. Or he does, I should say, not we. He does all the pruning. Our cardinals are officially gone, so Brian took the nest down. Look at how much plastic is in it. Wow. I guess that makes a good base for it there.
Small nest.
Aww. I am making my lunch salads for the week. I make 4 salads during the work week. And then the 5th day, before self-isolation, we used to go out to eat. Like, I'd go out to eat with a friend at work, but now I just make something else the 5th day. But I missed my salad spinner. I just washed this in a colander, but I think it's gonna be a little wet. I might dry it with a towel. My salads are all done, and this week it's easy because today's Memorial Day, so we're cooking out. So these are for the rest of the week. We've come down to Ocean Boulevard just to check things out, not doing a POV, just gonna film what's of interest. This is actual Memorial Day, so we wanted to see what it looked like today. Unfortunately, the cloud cover has hung in there. It's not raining, it's not supposed to rain, but we just got some cloudy skies. Now you can really see the line of traffic that is ahead of us. That's a lot of traffic. Wow, look at that crowd outside of the Pancake House.
Social distancing there.
No social distancing whatsoever. And now we've reached the main strip where all the gift shops are. The main boardwalk is over to the left. And this is an American tradition to grill out on Memorial Day. How that became a tradition, I don't know, but it is. It's definitely a tradition. So Brian's got his veggie dog and veggie burger, and then my meat burger is on the left. It's gonna be tasty, it smells so good. Here's my finished burger. So that's a beef burger with cheese, and I'm doing a lettuce wrap again, and got my tomato and stuff. Made some fresh coleslaw, and we're having baked beans, which is funny. I think I eat these once a year or twice, Memorial Day and 4th of July, but it's tradition. And here's Brian's. His plate's totally vegetarian. He's got slaw, potato salad, baked beans, veggie dog, veggie burger, and a pickle. And look how beautiful the day turned. It's just lunchtime right now. We ate lunch a little early, so it's right now around noon. So pretty now. We have decided to take a little walk this afternoon and enjoy this beautiful weather. It really did turn out gorgeous. It started out a little cloudy, but it's so nice now, and there's a wonderful breeze today. It is now Tuesday. We had a glorious 3-day weekend. I will be having a Myrtle Beach heavy Memorial Day video coming out before this video that focuses more on us being out and about and not the stuff that we're doing at home. And so if you want to see that, I'll link it in the description below or maybe up above. And today is back to work. It's back to work. Still working from home, and my job got work from home extended to the end of June now. And I mean, at least they just keep extending it by the month, and they just extended it again. North Carolina is in phase 2, I believe, and the phase 2 says to encourage telecommuting wherever possible. I still find the word telecommuting funny because no one uses a phone to do it anymore. It's, you know, it's internet commuting. It's not telecommuting, but anyway, working from home till the end of June at least, and then we'll see from there. Here's my little office setup here at the beach. I turn my monitor off for confidentiality reasons, but it's a good little setup. I got my keyboard tray, good to go. Good morning, it is Wednesday and it is pouring rain. We're getting some kind of tropical system. I don't think it's a named storm this time, but we are getting a lot of rain. I'll show you. It's funny, rain doesn't film that well. It's hard to tell, but it is truly pouring. You can't really tell unless you're looking at something dark, I guess, but it's really raining. And I'm so glad we got our walk in because it was drizzling a little, but it wasn't like this. All right, now you should really be able to see the rain. I'm having to stand in our garage because the wind's actually blowing towards the front of our house, so I can't stand at the front, and I think I'm even getting misted on here, but it is crazy, and we're getting some crazy wind gusts now, and you can see the water is starting to pool. They're saying we're gonna get some flash flooding, but it's hard to tell from this angle because we're, you know, behind, but it is really windy. Yesterday, I never did get back on. It was an exhausting day at work. I know that sounds funny to say when you're working from home, but I had a ton of work to do and it was super busy, and I barely had time to breathe yesterday, and by the time I was off work, I was tired. I did my second walk. I've been trying to walk twice a day because I feel like I'm not walking enough incidentally, you know, working from home. I don't feel like I'm moving as much. Went on my second 2-mile walk and then did some other sort of yoga and stuff. Cooked dinner, and that was it. And I hate I didn't show you dinner because I made something for the first time, I think, since I've been gluten-free. I made pad thai. As promised, here is pad thai night number 2. I just grilled some shrimp and the rest is leftover, and then chopped some fresh herbs. Yum. It is Thursday and it is so humid. Bertha, the tropical storm, left us with major humidity. My lens keeps fogging up on the camera. I've had to wipe it several times, which I don't even like to have to do, but it is so humid today. We went on our walk super early, and even then it was crazy humidity today, so I don't think we'll be doing much outside. I don't think we'll be hanging out here. This is like it feels like that Florida sticky humidity that here we usually don't have as much because we get the ocean breeze, but got it today. Have you ever noticed that on short work weeks, meaning we had Monday off for Memorial Day, for some reason the work week seems long? I woke up this morning convinced it was Friday, but nope, it's Thursday. Here's the male cardinal. At this point, it could be one of the babies because they turn into adults really fast. It's pretty cool. Right in our neighborhood where we walk every day, we've discovered there's a killdeer with a nest. We didn't know why she was hanging out here, and then we finally realized one day she got up and there are 3 eggs under her. And so she's made a nest right here in our neighborhood. If you're not familiar with them, they're in the sandpiper family. Here's another angle of her, and we don't want to disturb her to show you her eggs. And it's funny, her nest is not really a nest, it's just sort of a divot in the ground that she laid the eggs in. I've now zoomed way in, so this may be a little shaky. I don't want to get closer to her because I don't want to upset her, but that is what she looks like up close. It is Friday. We have made it to the end of the week, and it's actually a beautiful day. It's lunchtime right now, and I've been working all morning, very busy, but I'm looking forward to the weekend and having a break, and we're going to be here through the weekend, so I'm definitely going to get another video out of what's going on here at Myrtle Beach now that I'll have time to go out of the house and do some stuff. And we've had better weather than they predicted. I think my lens is slightly fogging up, but there's nothing I can do. It's humid. It's very humid. They were predicting pretty much just solid clouds, but instead it's been sort of occasional clouds, but mostly sunny. Fewer storms than they were predicting. It's definitely not bad weather as long as you don't mind hot and humid. Work day is now over, and we are relaxing on our back patio. Also, Brian brought out our little Bluetooth speaker so we could enjoy some music because none of our neighbors are out right now, so it's just us out here. There's an Allegiant flight coming in for landing, and we've got these crazy storm clouds and then some really beautiful clouds. And then it's sunny right here, and then blue skies. It's really funny. Brian is now oiling the chain on my bike, which is nice. We gotta get our bikes out. It's definitely warm enough now. And now here's Brian's much taller bike. It's funny, my bike is actually a little too tall for me because they don't really make them unless you get them custom built, which is too expensive for people as short as I am. So if you guys have been with us for a while, you know we bike to Broadway at the beach and lock our bikes up. This is what's required, seriously, to make sure our bikes do not take a hike.
I mean, this is like heavy duty.
Yeah, that one's really good. And of course we have the tour helicopter going over. Definitely getting more dramatic now. We keep hearing thunder, but still no rain here. We're waiting to see if it comes. And there it is. Wow. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.